What should I do? Welcome back to the channel. Wow, Maxpeedingrods came through again. They said, hey, you want a turbo? I'm like, sure, why not? GT45 shows up. Part number 611-GT45. Oh yeah, don't forget, Maldo72 is a discount code. This is for, because there's a kind of confusion on this, this is for US stock only. That means that if Maxpeedingrods has the part you're looking for in the USA, in their warehouses in USA, you get my discount code of Maldo72. You do get a discount code for the overseas warehouses, but you got to pay for shipping for those. Comes with all the fittings, the oil lines, gaskets, and they said, hey, do you need an intercooler with that too? They sent me one of their giant intercoolers. I'll put the part number down for that. And wow, so the question is, what do we do with all of these parts? Turbo, intercooler, 2 cars. Which one should it go into? Should it go into the Trans Am that has a built 383 stroker motor with a Pro Charger on it right now, which it runs and drives and everything is perfectly fine with it? And or should we stick it into Green Bean and do a rear mount kit, rear mount turbo kit for Green Bean? Nothing too crazy because it's a stock engine, just has cam and headers on there. But wouldn't that be cool to put it a rear mount into that car and maybe run about 4 pounds of boost, and then we could think about maybe building that motor and building that car up in stages? Or should we take the blower off of this car, stick a bigger pulley set for the Green Bean setup, run about 4 pounds of boost on there and have a blown car for that, and then put a turbo system on this built motor? Again, GT45, everybody knows about them. They can make, I don't know, good amount of horsepower. Everybody knows, you know, that the Maxpeedingrods, these are not the high-end precision turbos, but the quality is pretty, I mean, I'm pretty shocked, you know, and I already took it apart. I already checked all the stuff inside of it, and it's like, it is primo. Well, I should say I didn't take it apart. My friend took it apart that knows turbos. But the question again is that I don't know anything about turbos. I would love to turbo one of these cars, but I'm going to need the help of other people to do this project. But I want to do it here in this tiny garage. So if we do a rear mount turbo, I would like to hear from the experts out there, the people that have done this before, to give me the tips, what to do, what not to do. I know you have to have a remote oil pump system, a return system, and then we got to build a whole bracketry system and then run the pipes in the back. I understand the basics, but I want to know, you know, I want to know the details. Or flip back to this car and do a front turbo with it out of the front of the car. Get rid of the whole supercharger setup, get rid of the whole AC setup, just go full send on this car and put a single giant turbo right in the middle and have fun with it. And if it blows up, so be it. Jeez. Well, again, Maxpeedingrods, thank you.
Bring the funk back.